In this video, we listed the 5 best beard trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Philips Norelco All-in-One Multigroom 5000. The Norelco All-in-One Men's Grooming Kit is a versatile and powerful electric trimmer designed for complete face, head, and body styling. With 18 tools and accessories, this grooming kit covers all your trimming needs, from beard, hair, and sideburns to nose, ear, and body grooming. It features titanium-coated self-sharpening steel blades that stay sharp like new and require no oiling for long-lasting performance. The long-lasting lithium-ion battery delivers up to 3 hours of runtime and includes a battery indicator for easy monitoring. An extra-wide trimmer makes grooming large areas quick and effortless, while the adjustable 3 to 7 mm guard and multiple combs allow for precise and personalized styling. Easy to clean and maintain, all blades and guards are washable under running water, and the impact-resistant guards ensure durability. The kit also includes a steel precision trimmer, nose and ear trimmer for wide hair guards, 2 fading guards, 2 body guards, and 2 stubble guards, along with a USB-A charging cable, power adapter not included. Reliable, convenient, and easy to use, this grooming kit ensures a smooth, professional trim every time. Number 2. Hatteker 5-in-1 Beard Trimmer Kit. The Hatteker Men's Grooming Kit is a comprehensive and efficient all-in-one trimmer designed for complete face and body grooming. With 13 versatile attachments, it handles every grooming task, from trimming beards, mustaches, and sideburns to styling hair, body grooming, and removing ear and nose hair. The kit includes a full-size steel trimmer, extra-wide hair trimmer, precision trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, body trimmer, and multiple adjustable combs for customized trimming lengths. Its self-sharpening steel blades provide clean, precise cuts and maintain long-lasting sharpness without rusting or irritating the skin. The rechargeable high-powered battery delivers up to 60 minutes of cordless use, while the LCD display shows the exact battery percentage and lock status for convenience. Designed for easy maintenance, the entire trimmer and its attachments are fully washable, allowing quick cleaning under running water. With its durable build, powerful performance, and ergonomic design, the Hatteker Grooming Kit offers everything you need for a smooth, personalized grooming experience. Number 3. Braun All-in-One Trimmer Series 99440. The Braun 13-in-1 Men's Grooming Kit is a premium all-in-one styling solution designed for complete precision and versatility. Whether you need to trim, detail, contour, fade, shave, or groom your body, ears, and nose, this kit has you covered. It features the innovative Pro Wheel, offering 40 adjustable length settings in ultra-precise 0.02-inch steps, along with a Pro Lock system to secure your chosen setting for flawless, mistake-free trimming. Equipped with beard and hair combs ranging from 0.5 mm to 20 mm, it delivers professional results for any style. The advanced Pro Blade ensures efficient, smooth, and gentle cutting, even in hard-to-reach areas, while AutoSense technology automatically adapts to your hair's thickness and length for consistent performance. Built to last, this trimmer includes lifetime sharp blades, a high-performance lithium-ion battery with up to 100 minutes of cordless runtime, a charging stand, and a premium storage case for organization. With its durable construction and professional-grade precision, the Braun 13-in-1 Kit is the ultimate grooming companion for effortless beard, hair, and body care. Number 4. Wahl Pro Series High Visibility Cordless Trimmer. The Wahl 360 Extreme Visibility Hair Trimmer is an advanced grooming tool designed for ultimate precision and performance. Its exposed skeleton trimming head offers 360 degrees visibility, allowing for perfectly clean and crisp lines with every use. This multi-purpose trimmer includes 3 interchangeable attachment heads, a DLCT blade, rotary nose trimmer, and dual foil shaver head, all featuring a convenient thumbscrew design for quick and easy changes. Equipped with Wahl's Forever Blade technology, The trimmer's black diamond hard carbon-coated blades stay cooler, cut smoother, and provide a 4x closer trim compared to standard Wahl blades. For hygienic grooming, the rotary ear and nose trimmer head is rinseable, while the dual foil shaver ensures an ultra-close, smooth shave on the face and neck. Built for versatility, the trimmer is fully waterproof, allowing for use in the shower or effortless cleaning under running water. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 2 hours of cordless runtime on a full charge, offering durability, power, and precision in one compact device. Number 5. Remington Vacuum Beard Trimmer. The Remington Vacuum Beard Trimmer is a powerful and convenient grooming tool designed to deliver a precise trim with minimal mess. Featuring an advanced vacuum system, it captures up to 95% of trimmed hairs, keeping your sink and countertop clean after every use. The full-size precision trimmer makes it easy to shape beards, mustaches, sideburns, and necklines with accuracy. For best results, it's recommended to use on dry hair and start with the highest comb length, especially when trimming a full beard for the first time. Equipped with washable steel blades, the trimmer is easy to clean and maintain. Simply remove and rinse the blades underwater to clear away buildup. With 13 versatile length and style settings, including a main trim head, detail trimmer, and adjustable comb, 2 to 18 millimeters, it provides excellent control for any beard style. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, it offers up to 90 minutes of cordless runtime after a 3-hour charge, with the option to use while plugged in. Durable, efficient, and easy to maintain, the Remington Vacuum Beard Trimmer combines performance, precision, and cleanliness for the perfect grooming experience.